No KYC crypto exchanges are shutting down in Canada all the time, and it's becoming harder to trade anonymously. If privacy is a priority for you, this video is a must-watch. In case you're new to this, KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a mandatory requirement for crypto exchanges in Canada to collect your ID and personal information before allowing you to trade. Yet, some exchanges have managed to work around these rules for now. But how long will they last? We don't know. So use the momentum if it's important to you. I'll share 3 crypto exchanges where you can still trade in Canada without providing your ID. Keep in mind, the crypto landscape changes fast. So for the latest updates, visit my website article on ocryptocanada.ca. I'll leave the link in the description below the video. Hey, my name is Oleg G and I've been trading crypto in Canada since 2016. I'm also the founder of ocryptocanada.ca, the website tailored to Canadians, all about cryptocurrency and crypto industry. I know privacy is important for many of you, so let's dive into the list. And a quick disclaimer before we proceed, non-KYC exchanges always come with risk. I'm not encouraging anyone to use them, but rather providing information for educational purposes and for those who prioritize privacy. Always trade with caution.
Disclaimer: this video does not constitute financial and legal advice in any way whatsoever but for information purposes only. When making financial and legal decisions and commitments, we strongly recommend you consult your professional financial and legal services provider.
And as of today, Bitunix seems to be the #1 choice for Canadians looking to trade crypto without undergoing KYC. Setting up an account is simple. All you need is an email address and a password to start trading. And no KYC accounts come with a daily withdrawal limit of less than 500,000 USDTs, which is a lot in my opinion. But if you need more, you will need to go over basic KYC or advanced KYC. One standout feature for Bitunix is its low trading fees, made even better by a tiered VIP system. But even as a beginner with VIP 0, you'll just pay 0.08 as a maker and 0.1% as a taker for spot trades. And of course, the more you trade, the cheaper fees are. Here's a quick breakdown for their VIP system if you're interested. Also, Bitunix offers over 280 crypto trading pairs, giving users a wide variety of assets to trade. A key downside for Canadians is that Bitunix doesn't support Canadian dollar deposits or withdrawals. However, you could use P2P market, but many users have 0 orders to complete, so I wouldn't trust it that much. So I would say the most reliable way to fund your account is through crypto deposits, and same with withdrawals in Canadian dollars. And I explain this process step by step in my Bitunix tutorial. Make sure to check this out for more information if you want to trade on Bitunix. And surprisingly to me, Bitunix is FINTRAC registered under MSB number. You can find them in this list, which adds an extra layer of credibility for Canadian users. And I'm not sure how they managed it, but they did. On top of spot trading, you could use futures trading, you could do copy trading. So as a crypto expert, I thoroughly tested Bitunix and found it convenient for quick, anonymous trades. However, while I appreciate the privacy Bitunix offers, it's important to acknowledge the risks associated with platforms that don't comply with Canadian regulations. Exchanges like these often attract a mix of users, including those involved in gray area transactions. Personally, I'm cautious about leaving funds on Bitunix or any other exchange for that matter. And since there's no guarantee the platform will still be operational tomorrow, I transfer my crypto to a hardware wallet. I mostly use Ledger Stacks, and I'll leave a link in the description. And I transfer everything for holding to this wallet immediately after completing trades. If you decide to use Bitunix, I usually recommend adopting the same approach to minimize risks, and you will find the link to Bitunix in the description, hopefully with extra bonus for you. This way, while signing up, you can use some advantages, as well as it really helps to support my channel. Okay, let's get to the exchange number 2, which is secretly saying still my #1. Is MEXC crypto exchange. No KYC limits are really generous and allow you to do a daily withdrawal limit of 30 Bitcoins. And compared to Bitunix, they over 3,000 crypto pairs, way more options to trade crypto and make extra income. But here's the catch. As of today, Canadians can use it with a VPN only. Unfortunately, recently, MEXC added Canada to the list of prohibited countries as per this list. And I mean, this list looks quite bipolar, but anyways, I know that Canadian users who signed up before, they still use it, but if you're a new user, you will need to register and sign up with VPN. This is what will happen if you use your Canadian IP address. I simply add email, password, and when click on sign up, you will see this message on top of the screen. And as VPN, I've been using Pure VPN for the past few years and it's been working great for me, no complaints whatsoever. It does exactly what I need. And in order to log in with MEXC, I usually connect to Brazil because this country is allowed to be there. You just wait a few seconds, you're connected, and here you go. As you could see, I'm currently with IP address from Brazil, which means I can easily log in to MEXC and start trading. And also I have this deal from Pure VPN. They always run some sort of deals and I'm sharing my referral link. In case you don't have VPN provider at the moment, I highly appreciate if you use my referral link in the description. It helps to support my channel and you can apply this deal for yourself. Alright, and there was no brainer for me to sign up with MEXC. All I provided was email, password, and here I am. So that VPN thing could be concern for some people. While MEXC doesn't currently prohibit VPN usage in its user agreement, in its terms of service and user agreement, these could change at any time. The platform might add a clause like VPN prohibited, which could create complications for Canadian users. It's something to keep in mind if you choose to trade on MEXC. Personally, I don't think it will ever happen, but just letting you know there's a possibility. On top of that, MEXC has probably the best fees and extensive range of trading options. As you could see, for spot, the maker-taker fee is only 0.05%. For futures trading, it's even lower. They constantly run some sort of offers like this, get a 50% trading fee discount, so they motivate you to buy their own MX coin. On top of that, once in a while, MEXC offers promotions with zero trading fees for specific pairs or periods. For example, a recent event provided 0% maker and taker fees for all USDC spot trading pairs. Basically, all these crypto pairs you see on the screen, which is exceptionally good because you later on can convert these USDCs and send them to regulated Canadian crypto exchanges in case you want to cash out in Canadian dollars. Because as a reminder, USDT is not allowed in Canada, but you could use USDC. Finally, the platform implements industry standard security features, including cold wallet storage, two-factor authentication, setting up anti-phishing codes, and so on. So, as mentioned, I've tested MEXC extensively and found it to be a reliable option if you are comfortable using VPN. That said, it's crucial to recognize the risks involved with this approach, but overall, MEXC offers lowest fees, more crypto pairs, and additional features compared to Bitunix, but the need for a VPN places it in the second spot in this ranking of the best no KYC crypto exchanges for Canadians. And if you decide to go and try MEXC, I highly appreciate if you use my referral link in the description. It will give you $20 bonus, as well as if you don't have VPN provider yet, I highly appreciate if you use my referral link in the description as well. And let's proceed to the last and quite unique exchange. And finally, Bitcoin Well, which is the only Canadian platform where you can trade Bitcoin without KYC. And for someone like me who's been navigating the Canadian crypto landscape for years, this feels like a rare gem in a heavily regulated market. As I mentioned, it focuses on Bitcoin only and it provides the cheapest rates for buying and selling Bitcoin among all Canadian exchanges. Also, Bitcoin Well is transparent about its fee structure. They basically charge 1.2% spread and they claim it as the lowest spread in North America. But keep in mind, if you want to trade without identification approval, you'll fall under light accounts and you pay 3%. As you could see here, in order to start the light account, all you need is just confirm your email and that's it. And once you confirm email, you unlock additional no KYC features like buy and sell Bitcoin. But what makes Bitcoin Well unique is that they are not custodial, meaning you fully control your own money and no middleman needed. And as for limits, with Lite account, you can buy up to 3,000 daily with cash vouchers and pretty much the same limit to sell Bitcoin, which is $3,000 per day. And using Bitcoin Well is so simple and easy. All you need is to have your Bitcoin on your external wallet. And same for selling Bitcoin. You can do this either by Interact in transfer or direct depositing. And what's unique, they do it on both on-chain or Lightning. I'm not going to explain the difference in this video. In case you don't know, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Later on, I'll do huge detailed review of Bitcoin Well platform because it's unique and it's one of a kind. On top of that, Bitcoin Well allows you to pay your bills with Bitcoin. You simply add payee. So for example, I'd like to pay for my bill, and here you go. Simply pick this payee, enter your account number, and you can pay any Canadian bill with Bitcoin. So they're pretty much similar to the platform I reviewed before on my channel, Bull Bitcoin. But the only difference that Bitcoin Well have option to buy and sell Bitcoin without identity verification. And also Bitcoin Well places a strong emphasis on security. You can find them on FinTrack website as well. It complies with Canadian regulations for financial transactions, ensuring a secure environment for users. And as someone who has been trading crypto in Canada since 2016, I appreciate Bitcoin Well for its simplicity and focus on Bitcoin. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or even spend Bitcoin in Canada, Bitcoin Well is a platform worth considering. And at the end, I would like to mention two more advanced platforms to trade Bitcoin privately. And first is going to be BISC, which is a decentralized Bitcoin exchange network. In simple words, it's an online platform where you can trade Bitcoin directly with others without a central company controlling it. So in our case, crypto exchange or any other company. So you can buy and sell Bitcoin for fiat or other cryptocurrencies privately and securely using BISC's peer-to-peer network and open source desktop software. You download the BISC software to your computer, set up an offer to buy or sell Bitcoin, and when someone agrees, you complete the trade through the app. It uses a deposit system to make sure both sides behave honestly. And also, many use RoboSats, which is a platform where you can trade Bitcoin for other currencies directly with other people. Pretty much same idea as BISC, but with a few differences. And it's also designed for users who value their privacy and want to avoid the complexities of traditional exchanges. If you'd like me to review this in detail, both of these platforms on my channel, please let me know in comments, because again, these are for more advanced crypto traders. And in my opinion, it needs extra explanation. And that's it for the current no KYC exchanges options in Canada. Remember, the industry evolves quickly. Stay updated by checking my bi-weekly article on allcryptocanada.ca for the latest info. Again, I'll leave the link in the description. And if I miss anything, feel free to share in the comments. Also to let you know, I've skipped exchanges with poor reviews or frequent issues, focusing only on reliable options in this video. And again, another reminder, use caution when trading on no KYC platforms. Keep smaller amount for immediate trades and transfer larger holdings to your own crypto wallet for your safety. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so it will be promoted to more Canadian crypto users. Subscribe to my channel if you're from Canada and you're into cryptocurrency. See you in the next video and happy trading.